Hello, so we were doing SAT practice test paper 4. We were doing a 5-minute challenge. That how many questions we can solve in 5 minutes. You can see the previous videos for all the questions we have solved. We are doing the maths part of this. Now in the last video, in this module, we had completed till this question. Question number 20. So we'll start from question 21. I'll start my timer. Start. So the expression, this is equivalent to A x to the power b. You have to find the value of a plus b. So first we are going to simplify this expression. So for that, this is 6. This under to the power 5 can be written as 1 by 5. And this is on the whole terms, so it would be multiplied in these both terms. So 6 multiplied by 3 to the power 5 into 1 by 5 into x to the power 45 into 1 by 5 multiplied by 2 to the power 8 into 1 by 8 into x to the power 1 by 8. Now this is cancelled and we get 1. For this also it's cancelled, we get 1. This is going to give us x to the power 9. So we have 6 into 3 into 2. 6 into 3 into 2 can be multiplied as 36 and x to the power 9 into x to the power 1 by 8. They are the same base, so powers will be added. So it should be x to the power 9 plus 1 by 8. We can take the LCM here. 36 x to the power, this would be 1 and 8. So LCM should be 8. So we'll get 9 multiplied by 8, that is 72 plus 1. So 73 by 8. We are getting 36 x to the power 73 by 8. We can compare it. This is equal to A x to the power b. So A should be equal to 36 and we'll compare the powers. So B should be equal to 73 by 8. Now in the question we want the value of A plus B, not A and B individually. So A will be 36 plus B will be 73 by 8. Again we are going to add them. LCM would be 8. So here we have 36 multiplied by 8. That should be 288 plus 73. So we'll get 361 by 8. This should be the answer. Now the next question. In a right angle triangle, what is the area of this triangle in square units? So if we want the area of this triangle, first of all what we need is we need to find the hypotenuse, which is the largest side for this triangle. So we can compare it in under root. This is under root 80. This can be written as under root 2 is outside. So inside it would be 2 into 2 multiplied by 2. So that's 8. This would be under root 6 into 6 multiplied by 2. That is under root 72. The largest side is under root 80. So other two sides will be the side contained in the right angle. This can be 2 root 2. This can be 6 root 2. Now area of a triangle is half into base into height. The sides contained in the right angle are the base and the height. So half into 2 root 2 multiplied by 6 root 2. This would be cancelled. This would be 6 multiplied by root 2 into root 2 is 2. So this should be 12. This would be the answer. Now next, for this question, the expression 4x square plus bx minus 45, where b is constant, can be written as this, where h, k and j are also constant. So which of the following must be an integer? H, k and j are basically integer constant and b is just a constant. It could be rational number, but it's not an integer. Now we'll just simplify this by multiplying this first. So this would be hx into x. So hx square plus hjx. We multiplied this hx in these both terms plus kx plus kj. We'll compare them. It is equal to 4x square plus bx minus 45. Now x square terms are supposed to be equal here. So h is going to be equal to 4. We know the value of h, but it was already a integer constant. Then these x term will be equal, bx equals to this. So therefore b will be equal to hj plus k. Can't do much with this also. And kj, lastly k into j will be equal to the constant term minus 45. Now this is giving us something. J will be minus 45 upon k. You can see this value here. We can say that 45 over the time is up. Let me complete this question. We can say that 45 upon k is equals to minus j. So clearly, j is an integer constant. Even minus j is going to be an integer. So therefore, 45 upon k is going to be an integer. And for anyone who has confusion, the division of two integers is not always an integer. Na? That's for rational numbers. If you take integers and rational numbers also except for 0. But if you take integers, definitely 4 upon 5 is not going to be an integer. But 4 and 5 are integers. Alright, so we have completed in question number 23. We'll do the remaining later. And please remember to subscribe.